Hello, I'm Nikki from Howard's Peugeot in Yeovil. I'd like to introduce you to this Peugeot 5008. This car comes with a lovely specification. Not only have you got the 7 seats, you've also got a CD radio as well as air conditioning. You've also got an electronic handbrake and automatic lights and wipers. Let's take a quick look around the van. Thank you for watching this video. All of our vehicles come with a multi-point check as well as a full service history. But if you would like any more information about this or any of our vehicles, please get in touch and someone will be more than happy to assist you. Thank you and have a good day.